Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 305i, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now by default, power saving mode won't be actually added, so we will need to do that ourselves, and we can do so by clicking right here on the edit option and then finding it somewhere below here. Those are the toggles that are turned off. Now you can see that the battery saver is right here. Now once you see it, you want to grab it, hold it for a moment, and the text right here will change. You can see that right now. So you want to drag it over that text, and once you drop it, click on the check mark, and this will then add that toggle to your visible toggles in the notification tray. From here, simply tap on it, and that's it. As you can see, it gives you the pop-up battery saver is on, and that's really all the info you get for this mode. So I will warn you that some power saving modes, I'm not sure if this one does this, but I do want to just put this out there for people that might find this very informative. So some power saving modes tend to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is in sleep mode, and this would be considered sleep mode, at least after a couple minutes of being in this kind of state. And there's two options. Either it might reconnect to it every so often, like every 10-20 minutes or whatever it's set to, and check if it's missing some kind of notifications, then just automatically drop them all on you in those intervals. Or it might not do that at all, as long as you don't use the device. So it might only reconnect when you start interacting with the device. It will automatically reconnect, check if it's missing any kind of notification, and then automatically drop them on you. So in any case, if you require that your notifications are being delivered to you on time when they're being sent to you, then you might want to stay away from the power saving mode, as it's typically gonna at least delay the delivery of notifications. Now anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to turn it off, just find it, tap on it once more, and everything will revert back to the original state it was in. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.